Ladies and gentlemen, I am back with a new something for you, man. I'm giving you this game so you can get jiggy with it. Hard comments, but I prefer answer comments with action, you know. So I'm just building a little project to have fun here for my personal enlightenment and hope it might answer some of your questions. Okay? So I printed this rotor with support material just to try the support material concept, and I had to because seeing the angle these things was printed, I had a top overhang where I'm going to place the magnets, and I needed support material, so I had to use support material. I'm not removing the support material. Don't do like me and use a box cutter. I did give myself a small injury. Well, you can call that an injury. I was lucky. Not like other times, but then it did not cut me. It licked me. It gave me a warning. So the rotor is done. As you can see, one side of the rotor has a notch, and the other side is just a pure 8mm. So I'm placing the magnets here. They went in flush like they should. You see, because my printer is fire. It's lit. Ha ha! It's out of control. Here's the little rotor. Now that's about it. I'll soon go into some pieces of videos I had on the build of a window motor. I'll have some coil stuff, rotor stuff. Now the rotor for the motor, I am not messing around with this 3D printer stuff. I'm putting resin and fiberglass. You know, because if you start pushing voltage on this thing, this motor, it might spin like crazy. And resin mightn't be enough to keep these magnets in place. So I do place fiberglass in there. Okay, I don't trust these magnets, man. I don't trust the rotation of these things. Alright. I'm also using some hot glue right now to keep my mold together. I'm trying a new technique. I usually use super glue, but now I'm using some hot glue and it works great. I have no leaks and I can make economy in crazy glue. And here's my beautiful rotor, ready for action. Alright, so now I'm wrapping coils, I'm winding coils on a jig. One run, 2 triggers, I'll be insulating individually and then sandwiching everything together. And it will be my sequential setup. You'll get a snippet of the circuit I'm using at the end of the video. And AFP Connects is out. Bye.